god, this is really happening. And they're like cutting all the dead parts off. I'm really doing this. This is kind of crazy.
I sit alone, minding my business, but you ain't with it. I know you want to check up on me, but today I don't want it.
Hey guys, it's Lala. Welcome to my channel. This is my big job video. I'm finally posting it after a month of procrastination. And yes, I literally cut off all of my hair. And yeah, so if you want to know how I did it, and if you want to know what I put into my hair now so then it stays curly and stays healthy, let me know down in the comments and I will post a video next week, which I've been planning anyways. So yeah, every Tuesdays and Thursdays I should be posting videos, but keep watching the video. I'm just gonna start, okay? This is what's happening. We're gonna start. And this, my friends, is the moment when I figured out I done fucked. I'm probably gonna fast forward it for you guys so you guys don't have to just watch me do this. Ew. I look really oily. Guys, this is not oil. This is gel, okay? Oh my god. Bitch, that is so short. My hair has never been this short before. Don't cut it like that. Cut it diagonally so it's not straight. There, like that. Because if you do it straight, it's gonna stick out and like it gets frizzy. Are you sure about this?
Yes, I am. Well, I already like have it halfway done. Like
you need to style this like every day. Well, I'm done. I'm basically like done.
It's done?
Basically. Wow, this is kind of crazy. It doesn't look bad.
Wait, let me see.
Can you like do this? Like just flip it. It doesn't look bad. It looks kind of cute. Let's just see how it looks when it dries though. I know. She's gonna be like, what the freak? What the fuck? If I did that shit to my hair, she would have beat my sister did that. Her hair was longer than mine and it was so much healthier, and she came home one day and she had a bob. So alrighty. Okay, how do I do this?
I'll be my dad.
Okay. Well, I'm just gonna go like put some water in it and conditioner and see how it looks like that.
Take away